Hi, trying to figure out how best to help you guys out. Would you like me to show you how to make a website from scratch for free trial? Um, I'll give you the free trial link at the end. So here is how to make a website. Let me share my screen. Okay, let's see. I hope that you see Google right now. So go into Kajabi, log in, okay. Go to website, pages. Tip, the don't design this home page when you first get it. Go over here into pages. And then this is like where you build all the different pages that you want to build, but it has more functionality than the regular, just like the regular homepage and website. So these are the different pages I've used in Well and Calm Studios so far. The website is what we're going to show you how to do, just like a simple website. So people come to your domain and know your name, what you're about. So if you go to new page, and then there's loads of different templates, just, look at them, but follow along with this just so you can get something out and then play with them would be the definite suggestion. I'm gonna go with Streamlined Home. So we'll put something here. We will put something there, a few pictures. And it's pretty simple. So hit get started, title it homepage, and then I always just put one here. So there's another homepage. Use later. Cool. Now you have a page. So on this page, it's pretty much already set up for different sections, and the sections correspond to these things over here. And if you kind of figure out, like, okay, there's the logo, so what logo do I want? What do I want here? What kind of design, like, pictures do I want? You kind of go from there. So this would be like a copy. Here's a call to action if you're selling a course, if you're selling a membership, definitely has call to actions. If you want to give them a PDF, if you want to give them your free offer, if you want to give them a quiz, keep them engaged, different features about what you are offering at the moment, different pictures, can be your face, can be branding, loads and loads of different options. Super kind of straightforward if you just get in there and know what you are doing, and now you know what you're doing. So let me know what you think, and if you want more, just email me at Rachel, Rachel, at wellandcalmstudios.com. That's Rachel at wellandcalmstudios.com. Wellandcalmstudios.com. You can contact me, and that's pretty much it for now.